Hi, my name is Michele De Lorenzi from the Swiss National Supercomputing Center, and I'm here at the Supercomputing 17 conference together with Florina Ciorba. She are coming from the University of Basel, and you are together with Eric Lindahl, co-chair of the upcoming PASC18 conference. Florina, could you tell us a little bit, first of all, maybe the date of the conference?
Absolutely. PASC is going to take place in July, in a hot month in Basel, which is actually a great time to visit Basel, 2nd to 4th of July. And it's going to take place at the conference center in Basel, which is one of the state-of-the-art conference centers in Switzerland.
Okay, and tell us what is the conference about?
PASC actually stands for Platform for Advanced Scientific Computing, as I hope everybody knows. However, this year we're focusing on a very important topic. We are looking to bridge fast and big data with fast and big computation. And of course, this is not new. However, we feel that the scientific computing community also has to take that into account, and we see the marriage between data and the computation being also fast and big. So we would like to see what the science community is doing in this direction. We would like to learn from the different communities and see what are the still open challenges that we need to address immediately.
When you're speaking about the scientific communities, I see in the introduction to the conference you have many scientific communities you are addressing. Could you give us some examples, and why it's so important for you to be so interdisciplinary in the number of communities you are addressing?
Because I think all the computational domains we have in PASC, we have 8 computational domains. They have a common point. They are using high-performance computing machines, right? And because they are able to use more and more, run more and more models, larger models, or they generate more data. Therefore, the problems are the same. For the different 8 domains, the problems are the same, and I'm not sure if this is known to all the communities. I would like to see what each community is doing and whether the solutions can be transferred among communities or not. This is why we're looking for interdisciplinary work at the boundaries not only of these 8 domains, but also that combine data and computation.
We are now still in a very important phase of the conference. We have calls. The calls are still open, and you have different tracks. Could you tell us a little bit more about the tracks? Maybe we start with the paper track.
Absolutely. We have a very important paper track which is more common for computer science and less common for the other domains, but I'm hoping that this is only a transition phase, and also the non-computer science domains will be very interested in submitting high quality but broad interest work to the paper track. The paper track is going to be double-blind reviewed and selective in a sense of to achieve at a high quality, but we will also have high visibility because they will be published by the ACM Digital Library, and therefore they will have the equivalent weight and importance of a journal publication in other domains. This is one of the program components, the papers. Then we have 2 other very important components, which are the mini symposia and the posters, which we hope will be the platform for interdisciplinarity. And we are looking for submissions in each of these domains and interdisciplinary submissions in posters and mini symposia and papers, of course, across these 8 domains.
Oh, that's great. And you already said, so we are at Supercomputing 17. We are at a conference which is sponsored by ACM, and it's important to know that this PASC conference is also being co-sponsored by ACM and SIG HPC. I think this is very important also to a sign of the quality of the papers and the contribution we would like to reach.
Actually, ACM SIG HPC, who just had their annual meeting yesterday, our annual meeting yesterday, it's only sponsoring 3 selected conferences, and we're among those 3. And I would like this to be seen as a sign of quality and excellence, and not a sign of yet another kind of sponsorship. This is very valuable, and this is very selective.
Also, thank you, Florina. Then see you later next year in June in Basel. You remember the dates?
the 2nd and the 4th of July, and I look forward to seeing you there, and of course more of the world and Switzerland as well.
And I wish you good work selecting the best possible contribution to the conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.